Hi friends, how do we uninstall anything from our Mac if there is an application, specifically let's say Chrome over here, and I want to uninstall it? How do I go about it? How do I remove it from my Mac? So look for Finder. Finder is typically the leftmost icon on your dock, or you can click Command space and search for Finder and click on Finder. Once your Finder opens up, you can generally under favorites see applications right here. If you cannot find it, you can simply say go, and within go you can click applications. Once you find applications, you can look at various applications installed on this system, and you can uninstall any of them by simply finding them, selecting them over here like this, and clicking delete. You can either delete by using command and delete, or you can drag and drop this to the recycle bin. It is as simple as that. But there are two things which you need to take care of. First, if I try to uninstall Chrome over here, I am clicking command delete. You will notice an error shows up that Chrome can't be moved to bin because it is open. So how do I exit Chrome? I can simply go to the bottom over here, right click on Chrome and click quit. If you cannot see it over there, click on the Apple icon on the top, look for force quit, and within force quit, look for Google Chrome and force quit it, which will make sure the app has been quit, and I can now drag it to the recycle bin. Now the second thing which I wanted to tell you, that for most of you it will happen right here. But in cases where you are not logged into your Mac as an admin, a user ID and password for admin account needs to be added. Now, I never log into my Mac as an admin for security reasons, and that is why I need to enter my admin username and password over here to uninstall this app. So let me quickly add that and show you how it works. I have added my user ID and password over here for the admin account. I am now going to click OK. And you will see that Chrome has now indeed been deleted. It is still on the dock. Well, it's gone now. So that's how you delete any application from your Mac. That's how you uninstall it. I hope this video has helped you. Please do hit like and subscribe to this channel. It really helps me. I appreciate your support.